Good morning, children. How are you? Hope you are fine and safe at your home. Do you miss your school? You all want to come back to your school, isn't it? I know that. I hope that very soon we will be back. So the story that we are going to deal today is set in future, when books and schools as we now know them will perhaps not exist. How will children study then? They will be learning through computers. As you can see in the picture, they will be learning through computers. They will have a robotic teacher and they will have a virtual classroom, and they will also have e-text. So these are the condition of schools in future. Okay, so the story that we are going to deal today is named as The Fun They Had and is written by Isaac Asimov. The characters are Margie, 11-year-old girl, and her brother Tommy, who is 13 years old. And the whole story takes place in the year 2157, a time far ahead of ours. Okay, so when the story begins, we find Margie is writing a diary. She is making a diary entry and it is headed as May 17th, 2157. And she says that today Tommy found a real book. It was a very old book. The pages are turned yellow and crinky. And Margie remembers that once her grandfather told her that during their grandfather's time, stories were printed on paper. So Margie was very curious to know more about it. And she asked her brother, Tommy, what is this book about? Tommy told her that this book is about school. The schools which existed centuries and centuries old. It was an old type of schools which was attended by their great-grandfathers. And the most peculiar thing about this school was that they had human teacher. All the children and the teacher went to a special building which they called schools. The teacher taught the children alike. They were given homeworks and they returned back to their home in the evening. So now Margie was more curious to know more about it, and she remembered how she hated her mechanical teacher, which was large, black and ugly, with a big screen on which chapters were put on and questions were asked. She hated her mechanical teacher, and at that time she hears her mother calling her because it's time for her to begin her school. And her school was a room adjacent to her classroom. And as she entered the classroom, the lights lit on and the mechanical teacher was ready for the class. The mechanical teacher asked her to insert the previous day's homework in the proper slot. And that day's lesson will be on proper fractions. Margie did so with a sigh. She inserted the answers and she was thinking about the fun that the children had in the old times. She was thinking about how the children went to the school, laughing and talking to each other, how they sat together in the classroom, how they did their homework together, and how they returned back to their homes after the school. She was thinking about the days of the old times. She was thinking about the fun they had. Children, I hope you have understood the small summary that I have given to you. Thank you for listening patiently. Thank you.